Hi everyone. I am hoping that you all are doing fine. So yes, guys, yesterday we have received the you can say the notification related with rescheduling of exams. So now mostly the students are confusing about when the exam will take place or whether this attempt will merge with December 21 exams. So guys, now if you see the intention of institute in the notification that yes, due to COVID-19, institute mentioned that due to COVID-19, but apart from this there are some many there are many some other changes that yes, institute will also think about, you can say that more strictness if institute allow the home based. Apart from this, yes, institute is also working on the, you can say that some minor changes in you can say that inter or final exam paper pattern. Foundation, mostly the foundation paper pattern will remain same as December 20, but we will see some minor changes in December. You can see that CMA inter or final examination. Or if you're talking about the when institute will conduct the exam next, so although we have to wait for the official notification, and whenever official notification will come, surely I will share with you. Apart from this, if you see the intention of mostly the institute will not do this thing that he will merge June attempt with December attempt. Okay, institute also understand the importance of 6 months of every CMA student, but institute already always say about that the importance of CMA student and their life is more important as comparison to exams. We also need to understand that our family and our life is more important. But yes, mostly we have seen that if situation is become normal, you although yes, institute clearly saying notification that due to COVID-19, institute has taken that decision, but cases are improving, situation are improving day by day. Earlier month 4 lakh or more than 4 lakh cases are coming, but nowadays 150 170, yes. So slowly situation become overcome, and if this continues, so mostly the exam will conduct from August, mid or end of August. So yes, we also need to request that institute should not, you can, if situation become normal, institute should not merge this attempt with the December attempt. Okay, so that institute student can save their 6 months. This is the importance of 6 months. So yes, mostly if situation become normal mid or end of August, we can see that yes, the exams are going to start. And we also need to request that institute should not merge this attempt with the December attempt. Okay, and if situation become normal, assure that yes, exams are going to start as per mid or end of August. So apart from this, what will be we need to, as you know that we have a, you can say that the exams are rescheduled. So those students who yet did not start the preparation, my suggestion to those students should start the preparation as soon as possible. Okay, now this is the right time to crack the foundation, inter or final examination. Those who are appearing for only one group of inter or final student, my suggestion to you, this is the right time to appear in both groups. Still you have, you can say that 3 months or more than 3 months. If you can easily calculate if the exams are going to start mid or end of August, so still you have 3 months. So you can take four papers, you will add 2 paper, you can take the classes, or 2 paper you can start from self study. 2 classes per day or easily 1 or 2 months you can complete your syllabus and also revision. So those who are appearing in single group, my suggestion to you, you should go with the both group. Reason is that yes, there is an importance in you can say that set of during the marks. Apart from this, in campus placement, this is also benefit, and yes, we have to utilize the rescheduling time and extension of this time. So yes, hoping you understand that you should go with the both group. And apart from this, yes, soon institute after declaring the, you can say that soon we are going to receive the re-verification or withheld results. After declaring this, institute will upload Jan 21 exams, and yes, institute will also reopen the window where you can, if any student yet did not fill the exam form and those re-verification or withheld student want to fill the exam form, so yes, they can also fill the exam form. Soon institute will update the window. Institute will also, you can say that whenever institute will declare the mode of examination, institute will also open the window where you can choose online or home based if institute allow. Okay, so yes, this is the information that first of all, most probably if the situation become normal mid or end of end of August, we can expect that the exams are going to start. Apart from this, yes, those who are appearing in first group, my suggestion to those should go with the both group. Yes, still you have left too much time, and yes, easily you can manage or prepare your both group. One group you have already prepared well. Okay, for those who have already prepared one group well, so now this is the right time to should go with the both group. Okay, so still you have any doubt, you can ask me, but this is the short video in which I try to cover each and every question. Still I left any questions, you can ask me, and surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about this video, and whenever I get the information, surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.